Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to convert a date to text in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take a column of dates right here, like in column A, and convert those to text, like we have here in column B. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So one way I know that a cell is formatted as a date is it will be right aligned, like you can see right here in A1 through A4. Or if I click in one of these cells and on the home ribbon, if I go over here to number, I can see that the format is in fact date. So sometimes we want our dates to be in a text format instead of a date format. And this is actually a really simple function called text. So if I click in B1, if I type equals and then the word text with a left parenthesis, the first argument I will be asked for is a value. And that value is, in this case, what is the date that I'm wishing to convert to text? So I'm just going to click on A1 and then I'm going to type a comma. And the second argument here is what is the format text that I want this to look like. In double quotes, mm/dd/yyyy. Close my double quotes, close my parentheses, and hit enter. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And now I can see that I'm being returned with a date here, but this time it's being left aligned in column B. And if I click on B1 and I look up here in my number format, I can see this is now general and it's no longer a date format. So if I want to copy this formula down for my other dates, I can just hover over this box in the right hand corner until my mouse is this thin cross, and then I'm just going to click and drag down. And now I can see that all of my dates in column A have become formatted as text in column B. Now there's some more ways that you can take a date and format it to text, and we go over some of those other options out on our blog. I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.